The 12th temple, Marozan Shoujuin Shozanji, is located deep within the Shikoku mountain range. The pilgrimage route from Fujiidera, the 11th temple, is a steep mountain path known as the Henro Korogashi, stretching about 13 kilometers. At the end of the approach, worshippers are welcomed by the main gate. Along the 300-meter path, stone statues of the 13 Buddhas, who preside over the judgment after death, stand quietly in line, from Fudo Myoo to Kokuzo Bosatsu. For those traveling on foot, this path, looking up at the 13 Buddhas as they go, becomes an invaluable time that eases the fatigue and calms their minds. As you pass through the gate and step into the grounds, the first sight to capture your eyes is the grove of towering cedar trees, said to be between 300 and 500 years old. They are 5 meters in diameter and designated as a prefectural natural monument. The main hall is a dignified and elegant structure that houses the principal image, a seated statue of Kokūzō Bosatsu, which is closed to the public. The seated Kokūzō Bosatsu is revered as the bodhisattva of infinite wisdom and compassion, believed especially to bring blessings for memory and academic achievement. This bodhisattva is also the figure to whom Kobo Daishi prayed for success when facing the great serpent. It is the central site of faith at Shousanji. Inside the Daishido hall, a statue of Kobo Daishi is enshrined. Here, visitors can worship the standing Great Master statue and tangibly experience the core spirit of the pilgrimage, Dogyo Ninin, meaning walking together with Kobo Daishi. Shousanji is a sacred training ground that lies beyond the challenging Henro Korogashi mountain trail. Situated deep in the mountains at an elevation of over 700 meters, it is removed from the noise of modern society, offering pilgrims a place of stillness and self-reflection. The pilgrimage here is not only a physical journey, but also an experience that strengthens the spirit itself. It is a site of special significance on the Shikoku pilgrimage.